Uh-oh. You all right?
You guys get the bikes. Oh, so it's called Hay Bike?
Yes, sir.
I like it. I like the fat tires.
Oh,
You
yeah.
take it off trail a lot.
They're awesome.
You can, but
You can. That's why they have the...
Is this electric?
Yeah. Yeah. Electric and electric assist, so you can paddle.
So ultimately, though, you mind me asking, what does one cost?
She bought both of them for $1,700.
Wow, that's pretty darn good.
Yeah.
Both had smiles.
Comfortable.
On your face, so I figured it had to be pretty good.
Where's my money?
Okay, you know we spent money at the place, right?
Dedicated to my mother, I can't. Yeah. You got no problem with one woman. You too. Enjoy them rides.
All right, thank you.
I almost want to ask if I could ride it around the block.
I missed one.
Yeah.
Cheers.
That's crazy.
We spent $110. Then you can just drive it electric.
Yeah,
It's awesome, man.
man, very nice.
Thank you.
Electric scooter that don't want to charge, but
Yeah, look up Hay Bikes.
oh yeah,
And they got the newer model also.
pretty nice.
Thank you, sir.
You have a nice day, sir.
All right, you too.